Today we're adding one more piece to a quiet routine. This is a crochet dishcloth with an open lace texture. The repeating motion helps the mind slow down. The rhythm is to double crochets with a chain between. Let's look at the structure first. Foundation chain 33 plus 2 turning chains. Double crochet in the 4th chain. The pattern is built on the V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into the same stitch for the first row. Continue across. You'll have 11 total. Into the final chain. We move into row 2. Work into the chain space. Our pattern grows through simple V-stitches after the first row. Just let your hook find the space beneath the chain, letting each row nestle into the one before. A large loop is just an invitation to slow down. Adjust it gently. This is where your inner strength and focus meet. The rule repeats. Embrace the rhythm of the repeat. It's where your mind finds rest. This happens sometimes. Be gentle with your work and yourself. If the thread splits, simply undo and restart. True strength lies in patience. The last stitch can be elusive. Look closely for that second chain. Once you anchor your final double crochet there, everything falls into place. Embrace the rhythm of the repeat. It's where your mind finds rest. As the rows repeat, let your mind rest. Your foundation is set. Now simply watch it unfold. As we single crochet around the edges, we strengthen the foundation. Each stitch is a step toward making this piece resilient and ready for use. A simple loop of air stitches creates a place for our cloth to rest. Even the smallest detail has its purpose in our daily ritual. Soft to the touch and highly absorbent, this cloth turns a simple chore into a moment of mindfulness. Your point of support is now a part of your home.